In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website with an SSL certificate on HostGator from start to finish. Securing your website is an essential step to protect your visitors' data and improve your site's trust and search engine rankings. Let's jump in and get you set up with SSL security in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to log in to your HostGator cPanel account. Head over to the HostGator website and locate the login section, usually at the top right corner of the page. Once there, enter your username and password. If you happen to have any trouble remembering your login details, HostGator provides an easy password recovery option. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the cPanel dashboard, the control hub for all your website's settings. Now from the cPanel dashboard, scroll down until you find the section titled Security. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled SSL TLS. Click on that, which will guide you to the SSL management page. What you're going to do next is install an SSL certificate. If you haven't purchased an SSL certificate yet, HostGator makes it easy. But there's also a fantastic built-in feature called AutoSSL. AutoSSL is a free tool provided by HostGator that automatically installs an SSL certificate for your domains. This is a great option for those of you who want a simple yet effective way to secure your website without any extra costs. To use AutoSSL, simply click on the AutoSSL button and it will take it from there. For those using premium SSL certificates, there will be a dedicated installation procedure you can follow right on the same page. With the SSL certificate installed through either AutoSSL or manually, the next step is crucial. Ensure all your PHP files are using HTTPS URLs. This is important because without it, some of your content might load over an unsecured connection. Double check your code, especially if you have hard-coded URLs, to make sure everything is correctly set to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Finally, we need to update WordPress or your website settings to force SSL across all pages. This is particularly important for sites that handle sensitive user data, like login forms or transactions. If you're using WordPress, plugins like Really Simple SSL are lifesavers, as they make this process a breeze without any technical hassle.